Hello and welcome back to another in-depth weather video. Today we're going to be talking about a few subjects, but it'll be fun nonetheless. If you guys like this video, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell. I'm on the National Weather Service page right now. Just quick note, there are a few red flag warnings, fire weather watches as well. These are special weather statements. These are fire weather watches. Dense fog advisories, air quality alerts. Those are very similar colors, but I believe that these are the air quality alerts. This is the dense fog advisories. But let's move on here. Radar. So with the radar, we have post-tropical cyclone Beta. I believe that is still a thing. It has not completely dissipated. But other than that, a few showers in the north and northwest. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Satellite imagery time. So of course we do have Beta. That's going to be moving through. Then you can start to see that onshore flow here with that atmospheric river going to start to pour into Washington and Oregon. And then you have another cold front here. And I believe this is going to be kind of the start. This atmospheric river is going to end up starting the huge cool down in the east. So we're definitely going to be seeing some fall-like temperatures, possibly even colder, in the eastern United States, while the west remains hot and dry, which is not good for the wildfire situation. Speaking of wildfires, let's go to that outlook. So we do have critical and elevated risks. We have critical risks in some large population centers, 16,000 square miles with a population of 64,000 people. Large population centers are Laramie, Wyoming, Craig, Colorado, and Rawlins, Wyoming. Then we have elevated risk from areas near Las Vegas to Casper, Wyoming. So we definitely have to keep tracking this wildfire risk because it is not going away. Those wildfires aren't going to go away, but we should see some relief in the northwest, but the southwest is just going to continue to burn. Now let's move on to the National Hurricane Center. Right now we're just focusing on Lowell. 40-mile-an-hour winds continues to be a tropical storm. Eventually it is going to weaken it to a tropical depression and go post-tropical cyclone, pass by Hawaii there, and then probably completely dissipate. But arrival time of winds with wind speed probabilities shows that, yeah, this is going to be fading away pretty soon with those tropical storm force winds. Probably tropical depression for a little bit longer. And then in the Atlantic you have Beta, 25-mile-an-hour winds, and this is all issued by the Weather Prediction Center because of the rain issue, and some rain totals could see 2 to 4 inches. Not unlikely there to see possibly 4 to 6 inches of rain from this system. Let's move on to the Nancy Calmer model. So here is Beta. That's going to be moving through. As you can see, where those thunderstorms set up, it's not going to be completely out of the picture to see some 4 or 5 inch totals. Then you also have that onshore flow coming on here, and then that all moves across to the east, and then you can see behind that you get snow. So let's go to the thermodynamics. You can see that cool down. It's very clear. Right behind that onshore flow you have a cool down. So going into October, it's going to be very cold, and this is going to start in the west, it's going to shift to the east, and it's just going to stay there. And maybe tomorrow I'll get the ensemble out and we'll see the temperature differences, but it's going to be a very big temperature difference. But for today, high temperatures, pretty high. Some areas seeing triple digits, 2 areas there. Most of the country in the 60s and 70s, and the northwest can see some 50s and 60s. But that is all I have for today. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next time.